If we see in the quadrant A, or first quadrant, sine 0 is equal to 0, sine 360 is equal to sine 2 pi is equal to 0. Sine 30 degree is equal to sine pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 45 is equal to sine pi by 4 equal to 1 by under root 2. Sine 60 is equal to sine pi by 3 is equal to under root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is equal to sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. In second quadrant, sine 180 is equal to sine pi is equal to sine pi by 2 plus pi by 2 equal to 0. Sine 150 degree is equal to sine pi by 6 is equal to sine pi by 2 plus pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 135 is equal to sine 3 pi by 4 is equal to sine pi by 2 plus pi by 4 equal to 1 by under root 2. Sine 120 is equal to sine 2 pi by 3 equal to sine pi by 2 plus pi by 6 is equal to under root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is equal to sine pi by 2 is equal to sine pi by 2 plus du is equal to 1. In quadrant first and second, if we see the value of sine 180, that is sine pi is equal to sine pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is equal to 0, is equal to just the value of sine 0 equal to 0 is equal to sine 360 is equal to sine 2 pi is equal to 0. Both values of sine 360 and 180 are 0. In the same way, we see sine 150 value equal to sine 30k equal to sine pi by 6 is equal to sine pi by 6k. That is 1 by 2. Sine 135 is equal to sine 3 pi by 4 is the same, having the same value is equal to sine 45 is equal to sine pi by 4 is equal to 1 by under root 2. Sine 120 is equal to sine 2 pi by 3 equal to sine pi by 2 plus pi by 6 equal to under root 3 by 2, having the same value as sine 60 is equal to sine pi by 3 is equal to under root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is equal to sine pi by 2 is equal to sine pi by 2 plus 0 equal to 1, having the same value equal to sine 90 is sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. It means we see here in first and second quadrant the value of sine 0, sine pi, sine 2 pi having the same value. Value of sine 30, sine pi by 6, sine 5 pi by 6 having the same value, that is 1 by 2. In the same way, sine 45 is equal to sine pi by 4 is equal to sine 3 pi by 4 having the same value equal to 1 by under 2. Sine 60 is equal to sine pi by 3 is equal to sine 2 pi by 3 having the same value is equal to under root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is equal to 1. Value in first and second quadrant, we find that gradually increasing and these values are positive. That is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by under 2, under root 3 by 2 and 1. These values belongs to first and second quadrant and these values are increasing. 0 neither positive nor negative. It is linked between positive and negative integer. 0 is also integer, but it is neither positive nor negative. Whereas all the values in first and second quadrant are gradually increasing. If we come to third and fourth quadrant, sine 180 is equal to sine pi is equal to sine pi plus 0 is equal to 0. Sine 360 is equal to sine 2 pi is equal to sine 2 pi minus 0 is equal to 0. It means sine 180 and sine 360 having the same value, that is 0. Sine 210 is equal to sine 7 pi by 6 is equal to sine pi plus pi by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sine 330, that is fourth quadrant, sine 11 pi by 6 is equal to sine 2 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sine 225 is equal to sine pi 5 pi by 4 is equal to sine pi plus pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by under 2, having the same value as sine 315 equal to sine 7 pi by 4 equal to sine 2 pi minus pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by under 2. If we come in third quadrant, sine 240 is equal to sine 4 pi by 3 is equal to sine pi plus pi by 3 is equal to minus under root 3 by 2. It is the same as sine 300 is equal to sine 5 pi by 3 is equal to sine 2 pi minus pi by 3 equal to minus under root 3 by 2. In the same way, sine 270 is equal to sine 3 pi by 2 equal to sine pi plus pi by 2 is equal to minus 1. Sine 270 is equal to sine 3 pi by 2 is equal to sine 2 pi minus pi by 2 is equal to minus 1. We see here the values of sine in third and fourth quadrant gradually decreasing as pi and 2 pi, sine pi and 2 pi having 0, sine minus 30 is equal to sine minus pi by 6 is equal to sine 7 pi by 6 equal to 11 sine 11 pi by 6 having the same value is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sine minus 45 is equal to minus sine minus pi by 4 equal to sine 5 pi by 4 is equal to sine 7 pi by 4 having the same value is equal to minus 1 by under root 2. Sine minus 60 equal to sine minus pi by 3 equal to sine 4 pi by 3 equal to sine 5 pi by 3 having the same value equal to minus under root 3 by 2. Sine minus 90 is equal to sine minus pi by 2 is equal to sine 3 pi by 2 equal to minus 1. We see here in third and fourth quadrant the value of sine theta is gradually decreasing. 0 is neither positive nor negative, but it is also integer. But these values belonging to third and fourth quadrant gradually decreasing